Baby, come here. I don't want to get up. Can you hand me my water bottle? Wait. Can you give me a straw with it? Baby, please. Thank you. Hmm. Baby, wait. Can you stay here with me? I don't even want to do anything. I just want cuddles. Please. Can you grab some blankets first? How was your day? Oh, well, mine was fine. I barely got up from the couch, but well, let's see. I blew my nose a lot. I drank water a lot. I had a bowl of cereal, but that's basically it. I mean, I know I'm not supposed to have dairy when I'm sick and have a sore throat, but that's the easiest thing we have aside from like toast. And I didn't feel like waiting. So, babe, baby, I have to blow my nose again. Can you grab me that box of tissues? Thank you. Ew, I hate being sick. Can I have cuddles now? Yay. Can we lay on the couch? Mm, no, I don't want any blankets anymore. I changed my mind. I am feeling way too hot right now. Well, you know my body heat fluctuates a lot when I'm sick. Quit making fun of me. Look, I just want you to wrap your arms around me and hold me on the couch. That's all I want. And if you want, we can even turn on the TV and watch something on Netflix. Just watch something that's in the mile long watch list that I have. Can we do that? Please? Yay. Mm. So, what do you want to watch? Charmed or Supernatural?